In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. Then, when you're ready, access Tab menu. To continue, you need to edit it by clicking on this pen at the bottom right corner, scrolling all the way down and adding Caffeine shortcuts to your current ones. Just hold it, drag it, place it wherever you want to, let go and click at the top left corner. Lastly, just tap on your new shortcut. As you can see, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same tile one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!